Understanding Metal Fabrication, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term metal fabrication. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what metal fabrication is and how it's used in everyday language. Metal fabrication refers to the process of building machines and structures from raw metal materials. It involves several steps like cutting, bending, and assembling metals. Think of it as creating something new, like a sculpture or a machine, from metal pieces. It's a term often used in industries and engineering. Metal. This part of the phrase refers to any of the solid, typically shiny, malleable substances that conduct heat and electricity, such as iron or copper. Fabrication. This word means the action or process of manufacturing or inventing something. In our context, it specifically refers to the making of complex structures by cutting, bending, and joining metals. Metal fabrication is crucial in our world. It's used in building cars, airplanes, ships, and even in construction. Without it, many of the structures and machines we use daily wouldn't exist. It's a field that combines creativity with engineering. Automotive industry. Cars are built using metal fabrication techniques. Construction. Large structures like bridges and buildings are often the result of metal fabrication. Art. Some artists use metal fabrication to create sculptures and installations. It's not just about welding. Metal fabrication involves a variety of techniques, not just welding. Not limited to heavy industries, metal fabrication is also used in smaller-scale projects and artistic endeavors. I hope this video has helped demystify the term metal fabrication for you. It's a fascinating process that plays a significant role in various industries and creative fields. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about understanding the context in which these words are used. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.